This week's recipe review is chicken and potatoes with Dijon cream sauce from lecremdelacrumb.com. It's described as being a flavorful one-pot wonder that's good for any night of the week. Italian seasonings and Dijon mustard blend beautifully together in a rich, buttery sauce that goes perfectly with the tender chicken and potatoes. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this was easy to make. It turned out well and smelled heavenly while cooking. I baked it for 15 minutes and the chicken was done and the potatoes were tender. I was looking forward to giving it a taste test because I love herbe de Provence and it's my favorite seasoning to use in omelets. When I took a bite, the chicken was nice and juicy and would melt in your mouth. The sauce was absolutely wonderful and the potatoes were cooked perfectly. The sauce was very well balanced between the Dijon and the heavy cream. The 2 tablespoons of mustard was just the right amount and didn't overpower the cream, but was a nice complement to it. And the herbe de Provence kicked everything up in deliciousness and was also a perfect match in the sauce. This is an easy, delicious chicken dinner that tastes fancy but is simple to make. I give it 15 stars and highly recommend making it for your family and friends. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.